Namaste, everyone. Welcome to Aurora Yoga. My name is Christina, and this is my dog, Pearl. Welcome to another yoga in bed, bedtime yoga practice. This practice is going to be about 10 minutes long. It can be done from the comfort of your own bed or on your mat, wherever you like. I am encouraging props, so pillows from your bed, blankets, if you have a bolster at home. Perfect. All levels practice, beginner friendly. Let's get started in a wide-legged child's pose. Take the knees a little bit wider than hip width distance. Big toes touch. Sink the hips onto the heels. If you have a hard time making this connection, you can take a blanket or a thin pillow and place it in between. Take a pillow or a bolster, place it right in between the knees and melt the heart down, forehead down. Close the eyes, relax the shoulders, and start to cycle through a few deep breaths in and out through the nose. Check in with yourself. Make sure you're not holding tension anywhere, especially in the shoulders. Relaxing the forehead, the eyes, the jaw. Shoulders relaxed. The heart is soft and melting into your support. Gently press into the palms. Lift the head up slightly, just enough to move your pillow or bolster out of the way. Melt yourself back down. Take the left arm and weave it under the right. Left ear is down. Relax the right arm. You can walk it forward. You can even go for a little bind, tucking the right hand into the left pocket, opening up the right shoulder. Close the eyes. Allow yourself to melt. If you took the bind, release the right arm, press into the right palm so you can unwind, forehead down, one breath, child's pose. Lift the head up slightly, weave the right arm under the left, right ear down. Be sure to check in with yourself. Perhaps send your breath to any areas in the body where you may be feeling stiffness, stagnation. Perhaps it's even the right shoulder. If you took the bind and wind, press into the left palm, unwind the right, press into both, come into a seated position. Grab that pillow or your bolster, place it in between the legs. If you're on your yoga mat, you're going to take your legs about yoga mat distance. And those of you in bed, just a wide stance, a little bit wider than hip width distance. Coming into a wide, supported caterpillar. Hinging from the hips, drawing yourself forward. Perhaps the forearms are resting on the calves. Release the chin to the chest. Keep the breath soft in and out through the nose, but allow yourself to sink deeper without forcing as you feel the back of the neck naturally open up, creating some space as well in between the shoulder blades, upper, middle, even some sensation in the lower back. Eyes are closed. Allow yourself to melt. Stay as you are. If you like to a little bit more, you can bend to the knees, palms facing up. Weave them underneath the calves. Release the forehead down. Chin to chest slowly unwinds. Remove your pillow and bolster off to the side. Make your way onto your back. Plant both feet firmly down. Coming into a figure four, crossing the right ankle over the left knee. Then you're going to interlace your hands over the left shin. You're going to have a flex in both feet, or leave them passive, but gently start to draw the left knee in towards the chest. You may even feel a stretch in the glutes. Close the eyes, remain soft. Slowly release the left foot to the earth. Take your time as you unwind. If you like, you can just take a little sway with the legs before we move on to the other side. Coming back to stillness, other side. Left ankle crosses over the right knee. And you can just stay right here. This is fine. Draw the right knee in, interlace the fingers, just below the knee, right on the shin. Once again, slowly start to draw the right knee in towards the chest. Relax the shoulders, close the eyes. Slowly start to draw the right foot towards the ground. Take your time. Unwind. Take that sway in between. Come back to stillness. Bring the soles of the feet together. Grab your pillow or your bolster and place it right up against the sacrum. Slowly lower yourself down to a reclined butterfly. Maybe connecting a little bit more with yourself here. Right hand to the belly, left hand over the heart space. Alternatively, you can take the arms out wide into a T, draw them up overhead. Whatever feels good to you right now. Wherever you are, close the eyes, soften. Feel that connection, the soles of your feet pressing against one another. Start to slide the feet down as you straighten the legs. Flip the palms so that you can press into them. Gently lift yourself up. Take your support and place it underneath your knees. For supported Shavasana, you have a pillow or a blanket supporting the back of the head, the neck. Arms up overhead, point the toes away for a nice deep good morning stretch. Hug the right knee in, take it across just for a nice quick rinse twist. Gazing right back to center, other side. Gazing left, back to center. Take the legs as wide as you like. Arms down by your side, palms facing up. Shavasana. Allow yourself to melt into your bed, into the earth. Yogis, you can stay in your Shavasana, falling asleep, or just winding down. I hope this practice helped you relax and that you're ready for a good night's sleep without interruption. Namaste. I will see you the next practice.